Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita, but you guys can call me Key. It's cool with me. As you guys see from the title, in today's video, we are going to be
carving pumpkins.
We're going to be carving pumpkins today. This is actually our first time carving pumpkins together. Also, we have a pumpkin carving booklet. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is purple. Does it look purple on top?
Yeah.
I dyed my hair for the video since Halloween is 6 days away. Also, when we're done, we are going to be making pumpkin seeds. Well, baking the pumpkin seeds so we can eat them. How exciting. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We just need time to look through the book. Oh, this is a cat. I don't think we that advanced to do. I want to do that. You want to carve a regular pumpkin, like a jack-o'-lantern face? Oh, it says boo. Look at that one.
I thought it was someone else.
That looks like the new haunted house they have on Adopt Me for the Halloween update. Oh, I want this one. I call it. Okay, y'all need to be really careful because these are like little knives and I don't want y'all to get cut. Y'all know I can't do things the right way because I'm never organized for this type of stuff. But I'm gonna turn the camera off, get organized, see how to work these sheets, and then I'll come right back. I wanted to show you guys my sweater before it gets all disgusting. It says Villain's Mood, and I want to know which villain's mood are you guys? I'm feeling like the one right here in the corner. It says Wicked over here. I have black on and my hair is purple, so I feel wicked today. Crazy, suspicious, ooh, jealous, never. Intimidating, evil. Ooh, actually I could feel a little evil. Sassy and clumsy. Right now Maya is tracing her pumpkin, trying to trace the face.
It's okay if it's messed up.
As long as you kind of trace the idea of it on here, then you'll kind of know what you got to cut out. Me and the kids would go trick-or-treating every year when they were littler. I might even try to insert some pictures in the video so you guys can see how they looked in their costumes. They used to look so cute. Samaj, I believe, has been out one time trick-or-treating and now he's 4. This is what hers looked like. Her trace.
Probably can't see it.
Well, you probably can't really see it. Oh, you can see it right there. Ooh. She took her head off. Mine, as you guys can see, is a little handicap. Please, nobody take that to offense. The stem was already broken once I picked my pumpkin out today. So I just got it because this was the best looking pumpkin. Every other pumpkin was super huge. But yeah, normally I used to take the kids out every year. Since we moved to this area, we haven't been outside to trick-or-treat in 4 years and counting. So normally we do something inside, like watch movies. I make Halloween treats. We have pizza, chicken wings, or something like that. And I decorate the house with spider webs and wall decals.
Smell it.
I already smell it when you cut it open.
It smells like dirty gym socks. Satisfying. It looks so stringy.
Look at my pumpkin's brains.
Yum, yum.
This is going to be time consuming. It's okay. What are you guys doing for Halloween this year? They recommended that we, or kids I should say, shouldn't go out trick-or-treating because of the virus.
Guys, you want to see what's inside my pumpkin now?
Okay.
Heavy. It's so.
I'm gonna take the bigger one. Y'all can take the smaller one. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not that bad.
It's party time.
Yeah, this may take a while, so they probably won't be able to see this. Once I cut this out, then I'll stop that.
Whoa, the eye. Oh, that's good already.
Gotta cut faster around certain corners. I know y'all not gonna be able to hear me talking over all of the carving, so I'm gonna come back when I have mine all nicely cut out. Yeah, clearly that didn't look, clearly it didn't look like it.
Ta-da! You like it, Mama?
Oh, that's cute. I would definitely give it a 10. Just because you've never carved before, but you didn't hurt yourself. It looks just like a pumpkin face. And you carved pretty well for the first time. Here's the face now that it's cleared out. Here's Amaya's pumpkin. Not bad for the first time. She carved it all by herself. Let us know what y'all think in the comments down below. Here's all the pumpkin brains from all 3 pumpkins. Ooh, they're gonna fall out. We're gonna take these pumpkin seeds, rinse them off really good, get all the gook off, and bake them so we can eat them later on. I know this was a quick video, you guys. I do appreciate the ones that took the time out to watch it. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Let us know what you guys are gonna do for Halloween. Are you guys gonna dress up, go to a Halloween party, or pretty much keep your 6 feet distance? Lately, I have been playing Roblox. So if you guys wanna follow me on Roblox, I will leave my name down in the description box. Another game I've been playing that my mom actually plays is called Sky, what is it called?
Champ.
It's called Sky Champs. I don't know how I just forgot that I was playing for the past day, like all day. I'm gonna screen record and show you guys what that game looks like. It's pretty fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. My pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Your pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
This is gonna be our thumbnail. All right, you guys, thank you so much. We love you guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.